Don't send Toby away. Toby be good field hand, boss. Good field hand, Massa.
That's all right, Toby. That's all right. You be a good field hand, and you can stay here.
Ah, Toby, stay. Toby, stay. Toby, be good now.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, True Thinkers. It's your girl, Dominique, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, you can just see by the title what we're speaking about. And I'm very serious about what we're speaking about, too. I'm not even joking. But in today's video, I just want to touch on this hey master mentality. You know, a lot of you men I've been noticing lately around my area. I'm not saying this is going on in every area, but I know some of you true thinkers, y'all can chime in and let me know in the comments. You know, if you ever been around a group of men who, you know, when they get around different people, they act like, oh, yes, sir, master. Everything is right. Yes, sir. Anything you need me to do, I'm going to go over and beyond. Yes, sir, master. What else can I do for you, master? They got that type of mentality. Oh, no problem, master. I can come in. I can stay in overtime, master. But meanwhile, back at the ranch, they treat the men in their family like crap. They treat their women like crap. They treat people in their race, they treat them like crap. Like, you know, and these type of men, I'm going to tell you what type of men these are. These are the type of men who will set you up. These are the type of men who, you know, loan them something and they'll never give you the money back. These are the type of men that will rob you. These are the type of men that will unalive you. These are the type of men that, and then let's not just talk about the men. We're going to speak about the women too, because the women are even worse. The women, I mean, they're terrible at it. You know, the way that they, amongst like, the way I've been feeling around women, my race, and I know a lot of women look at me, they don't know what to think. They don't know if I'm, you know, some of them be like, are you mixed? Are you Dominican? Are you, you know, no, I'm indigenous to this land. I know who I am. That's who I am. And I'm never to be played with. That's another thing. Don't do it. But, you know, I'm also a loving, nice, charming woman, you know, and would give the shirt off of my back for some of these women. And sometimes I be having a good word for them that's been put on my heart. But you can't even get through the negativity. You can't even get through to these type of women because they so envious and jealous. You be like, baby, you have no reason to be envious and jealous.
I noticed you referred to African Americans. Mm-hmm. What exactly is your problem?
How much time you got, buddy? Where would I start? Well, first of all, they're lazy, good-for-nothing tricksters, crack-smoking swindlers, big butt-having, wide-nose breathing all the white man's air. They eat up all the chicken. They think they're the best dancers, and they stink. Did I mention that before?
And you know what, true thinkers, I know they ain't the who I'm talking about ain't gonna like me, and they ain't gonna like what I'm saying. And you know, the ones that don't like what I'm saying, those are the people I'm talking to. You are the one I'm talking to, the ones that got an issue with what I'm saying. Because people like me, we just like, yeah, you're right. I mean, you know what I'm saying? And then you be like, well, don't focus on it so much. You know, don't focus on the negativity. But I'm not really focusing on it. It focuses on me, and then I have to focus back. You know what I'm saying? I have to address certain things. Not really focus, but address certain things and certain people. Because if you don't address these people, they'll walk all over you like a dog. They'll walk all over you, and they will call you out your name. They will call you everything but the child of God. And y'all know I'm telling the truth. But I'm telling you, get into their information. Get into their business. Get into what they really doing. You'll be like, oh my God, I would never do nothing like that. I would never do nothing like that. And the thing is, everybody is not going to like this message, but I don't care. I had to say it because I'm tired of the negativity in my race. Like, it's always negative, 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 negative. Like, right now, you got people going against a black family. Like, what, why? You have nothing to do with it. Okay, you have an experience. If you're not going to sue this person, if you're not going to try to seek legal action, just shut up and hush, because we tired of it. Like, you coming against a whole black family, but then say, oh, well, this was my experience. Well, then let it be your experience. But if you're not going to really do something about it, like really do something, just shut up. Like, really, I'm sick of it. Like, I don't get it. That's why I started my own YouTube channel, y'all. For people who are like me, you know, people who are just kind of fed up with just society and the way that things are handled and the misuse of people. Like, why? And it happened to me. I'm the first one to say it happened to me. Somebody used the out of me, played me for a fool, and my good intentions were, who cares about your good intentions? But then be preaching. You know what I'm saying? Be trying to get somebody to get somebody to buy into their bullshit. No. Time is up. Like, we're not doing that no more. Like, people need to stop being so mean and hateful. It just don't make no sense. And then my video come across hateful and not happy and happy-go-lucky. But I just had to address it. Like, I really do. It's Sunday. We got to address some things. Too crazy, got a little bad emo. We stay good friends, we get too